Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to see about the OBS software. Many of you wondering about how live streamers, how YouTubers are managed to make videos or record videos or live stream. So this is the software called OBS, which helps us to manage our backend from our live stream. So in today's particular videos we are going to overlook this software, and I'm sure after watching this video you will be ready to live stream or to record your YouTube video. So trust me guys, this is very simple software. We just have to do few things in this software. There are many other features as well. So without any time wasting, we just have to download this software from Google. Okay, so just go on your browser and just type there OBS download. So there are multiple links for downloading this. You may have seen the various other articles to download this software, but I'm telling you this is the official link of this software. I pinned this link in the description, so you don't have to worry about the fake software or the malware scams. Okay, so there are this is the homepage of the official homepage of the OBS software. Here they are telling us that how it's work and what are these features, and this is the simple way to download it. Windows, Mac or Linux. If you have Windows, like I have Windows, so I'm downloading it by clicking on window. So after clicking on window, there is this page coming, and I already downloaded it because I used my to record this all videos, so I did not download it again. So you can see this in the corner where I putting my cursor. There is your downloading process showing. So after downloading it, you just have to click on the download option, and just for your regular software, you just have to download it just like that. So you don't have to worry about any changes while downloading or any plugins after for installing it. You just have to simply download this software by clicking it finish, install, and next step. So after downloading this software, you just have to go on this app, or you just have to go in this home page of this OBS software. You may have seen this lot of time in the multiple streams, YouTube videos or anything. This is just a simple software. You don't have to worry about other options, like there are many options in scenes, sources, audio mixture. There are many other settings here. You don't have to worry about it. It is a very simple option, and trust me, there are hundreds and thousands of features in it, and no a single YouTuber can use this whole software and whole features of this. There are multiple features as well. You can see you might be afraid of watching this all, and you just think that we should have to learn all this process or all these features. The answer is no. You don't have to learn whole thing. You just have to remember 2 or 3 things for recording or streaming. So there are multiple options, like you see. So in here you can see the stream option in the setting. There are 2 ways to connect your live stream. So first way is to sign in your YouTube account to the OBS, or if you do not want to sign in, that you should provide the stream key of your live stream to your OBS software. Then after putting the your stream key, you just have to connect your account, and just by clicking start stream, you will go live. Okay, this is very simple. I just see here I put my stream key here, so I just have to connect my account and then go on live. So I just came back. Okay, so this is the option where in the left side in the right side you can see the options of start streaming and start recording. So after clicking on start streaming, it will automatically go live on just clicking on one click. So here on the left side you can see the all things, and this is the very critical interface you can ever seen, I guess, but you don't have to worry about it. There are left section you can see the scenes option. Scenes are nothing but a layers. You can imagine it like a layer. If you are doing Photoshop or any other work, there are multiple layers we add on, just like I added the scene 2. You can change the name of scene 1 to any name you want to, but there are the scene are the slides or layer. In PowerPoint you can see the slides, so they are just slides, and here is the sources. You can add multiple. So this is the main feature of the OBS. This sources option is the main feature of the OBS. You can add multiple options: image, audio, background, game capture, display capture. There are many other scenes you can create. So I just show you how to put an image to your live stream. So if you want to live stream, you just have just go there, just follow this process steps, and just click on OK. So you can manage to get here. and this is how you can put the image on your screen. So this is like scene 1 and scene 2. This is the transition. You can see this on the right side, there is a transition button as well. So here I can just do few things. So here I can make, so here I make this 3 slides for you, and here I'm showing that the audio of display or what I want to after recording or while streaming. I just set here, and there are also and after for this right side, this is option of transition. So you can change your transition like fade or any other transition of sliding the scenes. Okay, so there are many other options here in sources. So you can type here the text on your screen or add multiple layers. There are many other different options. So I just suggest you that you just have to explore this. You just sit on one day for 1 hour and explore every feature. You don't have to put stream key or just link account for exploring it. Just explore it fully. Don't worry, you don't have to if you are getting any trouble while changing a setting, you don't have to worry. On Google there are multiple settings are available. You just have to tally it and apply it for your OBS. Okay, so this is how if you are a beginner, if you are a early streamer, so you don't have to worry about many other settings. You just have to put your brain in the section of recording or section of streaming. Okay, so if you want to connect any microphone or any other features, there are multiple tools here in audio. In setting in audio, you can add your mic or anything, but I don't really think that if I tell you all the features that this video will end up quickly. So if I want to tell you the best guide of doing this OBS software is to apply this. See, I just started my live stream. Okay, so wait a second. So here I can just stop recording. So you will observe that while I'm recording these streams, I just red color logo is on the OBS. So it means that live is you are on live. Okay, so this is the features of this OBS software. I think you should understand it properly now. I just have to give you one advice that you don't have to worry about other features, that what should be this, what should be what. You just have to do 2 or 3 steps to go on live or go on recording. Okay, so this is how the OBS software will work. You can manage to do other stuff as well. I recommend you to manage by yourself. Guys, this is the guide or introduction of the OBS software. I think you learn it. I think you can manage to learn it, the OBS software. There are multiple features. It does not cover in this particular video, but I give you the detailed information about how it works and what should you do to download it and what are the scene sources and many other things. Okay, so if you learn anything in this particular video new, so please like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends who are going to live or who are going to record YouTube video or any other video. OBS is the very great software. You can see on the internet across. This is the best software and this is free software. You do not have to pay any other fees or any other payment to enjoy it. So this is the very cool software. You can definitely use it. So guys, in this particular video I am just signing off. So if you like this video, please like this video. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.